welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this rainbow inspired look. It's dedicated to Pride Month and I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and join the Glam Squad and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. So now before we get started on this look right here, let's give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get ready to slay. I asked my kids not to touch it. Did they listen? Did they listen? No, they didn't. Hey guys, I am so excited to do this look, so let's just jump into it. The first thing I'm going to do is skincare, obviously, like always. I'm going to go in with Old Henriksen Serum. This is a vitamin E. This is going to keep me looking young, so if you want to stay looking young, get you this serum. Now to moisturize my skin, I'm going to go in with Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now going in with my Mario Badescu spray. Good stuff, good stuff. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing these two colors right here. One is a little bit darker, one is lighter. I used to be this color, but I got darker, so I have to mix it in and make my shade. Now, I love both of these foundations for the summer. They're so breathable and they stay on. They don't melt off, they don't move. They're bomb. I'm actually looking for a high-end summer foundation. So if you have a foundation that you go to for summer, please put it in the comments down below. I would love to try it out. Now, because this one has a pump, I'm just going to put it behind the sponge. And I'm going to just mix them in together. I forgot to prime. But I'm not doing anything today anyways. But if I was to prime, I would be using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now that our skin tone is even, we're going to move on to concealer. I am going to be using, as always, Tarte concealer because it covers up everything. I am going to be applying more concealer to my eyelids. This is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and that's because I want these shadows to show through. I'm a little bit too tanned, and if I just leave it like that, the colors might not just show. So I'm going to put this concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades way lighter than my skin tone. Now if you don't have a concealer that's lighter than your skin, you can use a white liner and just put it all over your lids. Whoa, I'm looking crazy. Now to set everything in place so it doesn't move, I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier translucent powder as always. You guys know I live for this. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Foundation. Alright, moving on to the eyes, and then we're going to come back to the face and finish it and snatch it up and everything else. So today I'm going to be using the 35B palette. She looks like this. She is brand new. She just came in, which by the way, Morphe, it took forever. So picking up my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to go in with this hot pink in the palette. And I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. There we go. We have our pink down. Now we're going to pick up the purple in the palette. And this is going to go on my outer crease. So I'm just going to keep it on my crease right here just to add some depth, some dimension. Just going a little bit by a little bit. Picking up this Sonia Kashuk brush. Is the precise kind of fluffy brush. This is a number 116. I'm going to pick up a blue. Which color should I do? Okay, we're gonna go with the dark blue because I'm going to be applying this to the outer V on my lid. I'm going to be picking up a little bit of concealer because I'm going to cut my crease. Now before that dries, I'm going to pick up the yellow in the palette, this one right here, with the Sonia Kashuk brush, but it doesn't have a name or a number. It's not as bright as I wish it would be. It's kind of like a mustard yellow. Now with that same brush, I'm going to pick up the green in the palette, which will be this light green right here. It's such a pretty color. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's nice. Ooh, it's coming together. I wish the yellow was a little bit brighter, but it's fine. I'm going to pick up this light blue in the palette with that same brush, and I'm going to put it right where the dark blue and the green meets, like right here. I'm going to be spraying my face really quickly with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set, just so the shadow will not disappear on me, just in case it does. On my hair. Now moving on to the bottom lash. How do we go about this? I'm probably just going to stick to blue and purple and pink. Let's see. So that's the blue that we use for the outer. This is a pencil brush. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the purple. I am going to pick up some of the pink and just focus it over here. I do want to add a little bit of highlight in my inner corner, so I'm going to pick up the Jaclyn Hill, Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. And pop that right there, just like that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but in person, what I just put down is perfect. I'm not going to add anything to my brow bone. I'm going to leave it just like that. Now, I do want to do a wing liner, so I'm going to do a wing liner. I'm going to use this one right here. I am going to be using the brush that comes with it. So the way I like to do the line, the wing. Then I do the line going in, then I fill it in. For lashes, I think I'm going to go with this ones. I found them at Walmart. I've never actually used this brand, but the way they look, they're everything. While my lashes get tacky, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I am going to be using the NYX Eyebrow Gel. And we are going to make these eyebrows flaky. We are done. We have eyebrows and lashes on. Now moving on to the face. We gotta snatch this face as always. I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D palette and picking up this angle brush so I can be very precise on how I want my contour. I'm going to apply it right here. I use the middle shade in the palette. I'm gonna make a line first. Then when I have that, I like to turn the brush around and kind of blend out this line instead of this one. I like that line. I'm just going to blend this one out. Now picking up this brush right here very lightly, I'm going to pick up this banana shade in the palette just to lighten up my under eyes. Now to highlight, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Picking up my Morphe M504 brush, I'm going to hit my cheekbones. Now moving on to lips. Today I'm going to be doing Milani lipstick in Bahama Beige. And I'm going to be lining my lips for a little bit of contrast. And on top of that, I'm going to be adding a gloss because I love a gloss. There we go, you guys. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and like it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know any future videos that you'd like to see. And in case you didn't know, I'm currently still doing a giveaway. So just click on this video that I'm going to be putting up here so you can see how to enter that giveaway. And I think that's all. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.